is my new pen box. It's super cool.
Maybe I shouldn't be close to her.
I have this too. It's very expensive.
Our class will have a...
Huh? Ben, slow down. What happened?
a big... Oh!
Good morning, class. Ben, please take your seat.
You'll see. It's big news.
Aha!
Today, we have a new friend in our class.
Oh. So that's Ben's news.
Please come in, Lily.
Hi, everyone! Wow! She's cool!
Lily, can you tell us about yourself?
I'm Lily. I love cool and beautiful things. She talks like a star. I hope we can all be friends.
Now, let's find you a seat.
There. I want to sit there. Huh? Near my seat? Yeah. You look smart and trusted.
Mia, is that okay with you?
If you both say okay, then okay. Thank you, teacher. Thanks, Mia. Oh, nothing, Lily. What's in your bag? Wow! This is my new pen box. It's super cool. Whoa! You have so many things. I have this too. It's very expensive. She talks a lot about her thing. At home, I have many more. Wow!
Maybe I shouldn't be close to her.
Try this problem. Take your time.
Mia, can you help me? Sure. First, look at this. Mia, can I ask too? Sorry, I'm busy right now. Okay, maybe later. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. Oh no, I don't have an umbrella. How can I go home now? Mia? Are you okay? Huh? Here. You can take my umbrella. But what about you? A car will pick me up. We have many umbrellas. Oh. Thank you, Lily. Bye, Mia. Stay dry. The test is soon. I'm ready. Oh no! I'm sorry, Mia! Ben! That was my only pencil! Don't worry, I have two for you. Thank you, Lily. Here is your umbrella. You helped me a lot, Lily. Not at all! I thought you only liked showing off cool things. But you're exactly very kind. It's okay, I don't mind. Friends. It's okay to be careful, but we need time to understand someone. Pew, pew! Pew! Look at my super bubbles! Wow, that looks nice! Can I try? No! You cannot touch it! Okay, maybe later. I am the best bubble shooter in the world! Bubbles! Where did they come from? From me! Look at this! So cool! Let me try it then! No! It is mine! Only I can play with it! Wow! Someone is scared! I will be better than him! I am the best! Watch this! Pew, pew, pew! Take that, Bubble! Hey! Get away! Whoa, whoa! Oh no! No! Max will He'll be so mad. I lost his toy. Wait, Max's toy? So you lied. It's not yours. It is your fault. You distracted me. My fault? No way. You are just selfish and a liar. You made me drop it. Stop. Blaming won't help. Ben, you are scared. Because you might lose Max's toy, right? Oh, yes, Mia. I'm so scared. And Lily, you are sad and angry because he said no to you. Yes. It wasn't nice. We all need to calm down to solve this problem. If I just shared it with you, this wouldn't happen. Now it's gone forever. Too bad. Not my problem. Huh. Lily, we really need your help. Huh. I am sorry I yelled at you, Lily. Fine. Just this one. Here. Use these 2 sticks to lift it together. Ready, Lily? Ready. 1, 2, 3, pull! Yay! We did it! Thank you so much for helping me. You're welcome, Ben. Lily, I am very sorry I didn't share, and I'm sorry I lied to you. Apology accepted, and I am sorry too. Next time, don't play alone, okay? My turn. Watch this. Oops. Uh-oh. It is empty. Oh, man. You used all the bubbles. And if you fight, take a deep breath and work together.
Do mysterious creatures live in the deep forest?
Wow, a real forest monster! Guys, let's go to the forest right now! We can find it! A real adventure? Yes, let's go! No way! The forest is too big! It is very dangerous.
Don't worry, Sam. I am 9 years old. I am a big kid. I can protect us.
Come on, Sam! Max is here! But... Wow, the forest is so pretty! Look at the butterflies! Ah! What is that?
A giant footprint! Wow! The monster is real!
I want to go home now, Max.
Stay behind me! I am the brave leader!
It says, enter.
Follow me, team! I know everything about the forest. I am an expert.
What was that sound?
Just the wind! But we need weapons! Watch me! I have a super sword! Hi-ya!
Wow! And I have a laser blaster! Pew pew! And I have a magic wand! Ding!
We are ready! No monster can beat us! Hey-ya!
The monster is real! Run away! That was so scary.
I ran fast to protect you, Ben. Wait! Where is Sam?
Oh no! Sam is not here!
This is my fault. I'm just a kid too. I don't know the forest.
What do we do, Max?
We need a real adult. Let's go get Sam's dad! Now!
Max? Huh? Ben? Why are you running so fast?
Sam, we lost Sam in the forest! Please help us!
Oh no. Let's go right now. Show me exactly where you lost Sam, and remember, stay close to me. Oh, boys! You went the wrong way!
The monster is in there!
Dad! Max! Ben!
Wait, that is the monster? It is just a little bunny. It jumped out of the bush.
I am so glad you are safe, Sam.
The forest is beautiful, but it can be very dangerous for kids alone. You can get lost or fall into holes. Always go with an adult.
I am sorry. I wanted to look cool and brave, but I was just silly. It's okay, Mac. We are all safe now.
You made a bad choice to go in, but you made a very brave choice to come get me for help.
Thank you. Being honest is better than pretending.
Adventures are much safer with an adult.
I learned my lesson. Never go to unsafe places without an adult. And if you make a mistake, always tell a grown-up.
Woohoo! Hit like and subscribe for more fun.